ZAITEX Fashion means R&D for Fashion Trends, made in Italy. It is a project by ZAITEX, an Italian company that since 1974 carries out proactive and tailor-made research, development and innovation in coloring and dyeing for several industrial sectors, especially for textiles. ZAITEX Fashion born with the aim of providing our customers with a full support for any step of garment dyeing, finishing and sustainable denim treatment. We make our technical know-how available to those companies or even fashion brands who need bespoke dyeing recipes made with top quality dyes and auxiliaries. This is all possible by taking advantage of our internal analytical laboratories and a brand new R&D department. Our technicians can support designers' creativity or dye house needs by giving them the chance to arrange workshops, even remotely. The perfect way for them to get in touch with our products and see the result with their eyes. ZAITEX Fashion team is on a mission, 100% eco-friendliness. Since we love our land, we installed a solar panel system that supplies all the running machines. Wastewater is managed by a system of interlinked tanks that recycle and clean all the dye baths. Our product range involves only certified dyes and auxiliaries. Discover more on zaitexfashion.com.